Hey everyone, how have you been? As I was undecorating my space after New Year, I remembered how easy it was for me to curate this year's epic birthday party for Rishi, keeping in mind that I was traveling back and forth right after Diwali. In today's video, I'm going to spill all the beans on how to throw an epic birthday party right at your home. And this is coming after years of experience of doing birthday parties at home. The advice shared here are general in nature, and as a parent, everybody has their own personal journey. The information shared here should not be considered as universally applicable. This video is not meant to hurt anybody's feelings, emotion, or belief. So buckle up and get ready for these 25 awesome tips to make your kid's birthday celebration an unforgettable one. Alright, first thing first, let's talk money. Figure out what your budget is going to be very early on. And trust me, it's like having your party GPS. It really keeps you on track and avoids any financial spillage or potholes. Now it's time to decide who's gonna rock this party with you. So it's very important to make a guest list based out of your space and your vibe. We usually have kids only party, and it is always Ishi who decides the guest list, as it's her party and her friends. Pick a date that works for you and for your guest. It does not have to be the exact date of birthday. We often choose weekends for the birthday parties so that everyone can come comfortably. Create a messaging group. I create WhatsApp group and send save the date invite. I'll share in just a bit how to create these beautiful invites. It just helps me to check everybody's availability. Now let's get creative and pick a theme that screams to you. It could be a color, movie, or even a very funky era. Whatever it is, I go for inspiration to Pinterest and create a pin board and put all the ideas on food, decor, games, invite, you name it, Pinterest has it. So a mood board this time was around Christmas parties. I chose different types of decor and also some party favors using Pinterest. To create all my printables, I use canva.com, and here I create multiple printable options from e-invites to party banners. You name it, you can create it on Canva. They have multiple ready-to-use templates, and also you can create your own templates using various elements that's provided. Despite this website is paid, but the unpaid version also has unlimited options. Now I take time and get those invites out early. I make sure to write all the details in the invite like date, time, place, how to RSVP, and then on the message group we created, I also send a location pin and map details for easy navigation. Once the theme of the party and the pin board is in place, it's time to place order for things we need, like similar decor, party disposables like plates, paper, spoon, napkins, return gifts, food, you name it. The list is huge, so it's better to tick all those off the list ASAP. Now it's the time to transform the place into a party central with all the theme inspired decoration. I often use balloons, banners, whatever fits the theme, and let my creativity flow. I always involve Ishi, and I always encourage you guys also to involve everyone in the family in decor creation process. It might not look picture perfect in the end, but it will create such happy memories for life that you would love it. So I would highly encourage you to let go of your perfectionism side, and embracing imperfection just allows you for more genuine connection with your children, fostering a environment where mistakes becomes opportunities for growth and for learning. Which brings me to the next topic, that it is absolutely okay to reuse old decor. Actually, I have used and reused many of my decor, and this is not only a very creative way but also a very budget friendly and environmental friendly way of celebrating any occasion. Since we are doing party at home, it is very important to protect the space. I personally use plastic tablecloths, chair covers, throw blankets. You can also use sofa covers to protect your space. I also remove any glass item which might break during the party and use unbreakable ones. My most emphasis is on activities and games and return favors for the party, because as a kid I would have only chosen these two to decide between a good party and a not so good party. So to keep the energy up, I always come out with some theme-based games tailored to my crowd and availability of space. This year we had some really fun and happy activities as well, like making s'mores. Music is the heartbeat of any party. So, an amazing playlist that sets the mood for the party is sure to have one. So have your sound system ready so that it can handle the beats. And comes the food time. Well, plan a menu that fits your budget and caters to your guests' taste buds. If you're planning to cook the food for the party yourself, I would highly encourage you to do meal plan as much as possible. Or if you're feeling overwhelmed for some reason, it's always good to order. Just as I said, either order or bake a cake that totally goes with the vibe of the party and the theme. Throw in some extra dessert for extra goodness. Extra desserts never hurt. This year I made a fudge chocolate cake with white chocolate cream cheese frosting. Involving the child and the family in the planning and execution, I feel not only fosters a sense of creativity but also strengthens the child-parent bond. Through all the shared experiences and the collaborative effort, it's a healthier approach to allow kind of a genuine joy in the celebration. I want to emphasize the value of connection that it adds over the external perfection that we are always stimulated by. No one likes to stand for hours, so I make sure that I have enough seating for everyone to chill and enjoy the party. Well, after the confetti settles, send out the thank you cards in the same way made on Canva, along with some party pictures on the group. It's a nice touch to show your guests some love for making your party a blast. I like to treat our guests with some sweet and very happy party favors. They don't have to be fancy, just little something that they would enjoy, and we would like to say thanks for being such an awesome guest. Whatever be the party favor, we never forget to add that handwritten note, or when issue was little a finger stamped note. This just adds a little extra. Once your child is a little grown up, then you can also do some DIY gift. Just like this year, we made macrame keychains and did a cookies DIY decoration kits for all our guests. I have always made piñata at home using cardboard shipping boxes, and I have started refraining from filling piñata from one-time plastic party goods to more useful things like erasers, pencils, sharpeners, washi tapes, markers, etc. A tip here is to create a separate chocolate goodie bag and putting it in the return favors for kids who have not been able to collect as many chocolates. Doing a party at home means we have to ensure a well-stocked toiletries. If we have toddlers coming over, it would be ideal to provide a nappy changing station. For any planned event, whether at home or not, we must have a first aid kit ready at home. God forbid, in case of any mishap or emergency, a first aid should be easily available in such situations. Now, each year after event is over, I never missed packing the decor safely in these boxes. As I mentioned, I love to reuse my decor and I always enjoy to share my decor with family and friends who are in need of a similar decor. So I take my time to keep it organized and I highly encourage you to do the same. You want to capture all those hilarious and candid moments that make your party unique. I usually like to share the birthday group where everyone can share a glimpse of party happenings and enjoy the joy as much as we had. So there you have it, folks, 25 tips to rock your kids' birthday party at home. Go ahead, plan it and have an epic party and let the good times roll. Choosing a DIY parties over the pursuit of a picture-perfect social media-driven birthdays creates a meaningful shift toward embracing imperfection as parents. I hope you found this video helpful in creating a joyful birthday party. I'll see you in my next one. Until next time, bye-bye.